In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact LinkedIn customer service without login if you're unable to sign into your LinkedIn account but still need help. The good news is that LinkedIn provides a contact form you can use without logging in first. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to fill it out so your request can be sent to their support team clearly and correctly. To begin, open the LinkedIn Help Contact form in your browser. This is the page where you can reach out to LinkedIn support even if you don't currently have access to your account. Once the page loads, you'll see a form with several required fields. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before entering your details. First, enter your first name in the appropriate field. Make sure it's typed accurately, since support may use it to identify you and communicate with you more efficiently. It's always best to use the same name connected to your LinkedIn account, if possible. Next, enter your last name. Just like with your first name, accuracy matters here. Using the name associated with your account can help avoid confusion, especially if you're contacting support about login issues, account access, or profile-related concerns. After that, type in your email address. This is especially important because LinkedIn will likely use this email to reply to your request. Be sure to enter an email address you can access right now. If you're locked out of your LinkedIn account because of an old email or login problem, using a current and working email address will make it easier for the support team to contact you. Now, move to the drop-down or selection field labeled something like, "What can we help you with today?" Click it and choose the option that best matches your issue. Try to be as accurate as possible when selecting the category, because this helps route your request to the right support area. Choosing the closest match can save time and improve your chances of getting a useful response faster. Finally, you'll see a consent checkbox or acknowledgement statement explaining that, in order to answer your question or troubleshoot a problem, a LinkedIn representative may need to access your account, including messages and settings when necessary. Click that checkbox to confirm. This step is important because support may not be able to investigate your issue fully unless you grant that permission. Once you've completed those fields, review everything carefully to make sure your information is correct before proceeding on the page. That's how to start contacting LinkedIn customer service without logging in.